So there we found out there is always a problem in hailing a cab or auto rickshaws from the roadside. So we thought, can we have something like where one can call or one can visit the website and can make the booking? The answer was yes, but there was a regulatory hurdle starting this venture. So we approached government authorities, and then soon after we approached government authority, they came out with a scheme, and we granted the license to aggregate all the black and yellow taxis and cool cabs in Mumbai. So that's how we started. And once we started, we got to know people are there who is looking for a local transport and reliable local transport. When I say local transport, they are looking for reliable and the good local transport so that they can fulfill their daily requirement. You can see we are in Mumbai and solving the local people problem. Can we solve this problem elsewhere in the country? We started Kolkata operations recently, and then we started doing market research in southern cities, and we came to know there is also a huge problem. Despite being there are many players in the market, but despite of this fact, there is a huge problem one face today in hailing a cab. So we thought, okay, let's provide the similar experience that we provide to our Mumbai customers, provide to the customers in Hyderabad. And once we start in Hyderabad, probably we can go to other southern cities also. There we can provide the similar services. So today they have three options to use our services. They can visit online. They can go to www.bookmycab.com. The second option is they can download our smartphone app from Google Play Store. They can go there, can search for Book My Cab, and the app, once downloaded and installed, they can start using it. One of the feature of this app is for the very first time in world, we have activated voice feature in this app. So one can just say the pickup address and drop address, and accordingly app is going to do booking for them depending on what package and taxi he has selected. The third option is sometimes a smartphone is not working, internet is not working, so what to do? So they can dial our call center number. We have a two call center number. One is local call center number. He can dial steady code 040, then 60603030. This is the local number. In case one may find difficulty in remembering this number, so we have a pan India number which is very easy to remember. It starts with 022. 022 is nothing but a Mumbai steady code, and then one can start with 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I think, ma'am, now you also know this number. It starts with 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. He can dial this number and he can book the taxis as per his requirement, either it is airport drop, airport pickup, or just visiting any friends' places, or going to visit his family, some relative, or going for movies or restaurants. So he can book cab with us, and he rest assured, and he can take services with reliability and the best user experience we can guarantee to the customers.
How did you get